Hi everyone. For our capstone project, we are Freecode Camp Classroom Module. I'm Jason Kern.
And I'm Colin Marchenko.
And we'd like to apologize. We are improvising a bit. Two of our team members had to drop out last minute. So first, a background of what Freecode Camp is. Freecode Camp is an extremely popular open source project on github.com. Its goal is essentially to provide coding lessons for free to anyone with internet access. However, the current problem is that teachers also want to use this valuable resource, but don't have an easy way to use it or understand it. So, our goal is to incorporate a Freecode Camp classroom module, which acts as a teacher dashboard, allowing teachers to manage their students and assignments on Freecode Camp. So here's the technology stack we used. We used MongoDB for our backend database, Node Express for our framework, and React.js for our front end. Also, we used strict test-driven development, so we used Mocha for testing the backend and Jest for testing the front end.
Our results, we used GitHub in order to authenticate our teachers that are logging into our program. So you do need a GitHub account if you're a teacher and you do want to use this program. But once you have that, you can use your GitHub authentication in order to log into our website. For our students, our teachers need to keep track of all of their students. So we did basic create, read, update, and delete methods on our database for all students being stored there so teachers can easily manage their students. Our UI, we use React for our user interface. And we had one initial problem in this project. In order to be able to implement this, we need to actually get the data back from Freecode Camp about our students, but Freecode Camp currently does not have a public working API. It's still under development, and we knew this. So our mentor had already created a scraper for us to use. So currently, our current working program uses our scraper to get the users, the students, out of the database instead of using a public API. But as soon as that API is ready, we should be easily able to suit one out for the other. And lastly, we did test-driven development, which Jason already mentioned. So our next step is to get this API from Freecode Camp Classroom and implement it into our program. And we would also like to get user feedback from teachers that use our program and see how they think it works. Do they like it? Here is an example of our user interface. You can see you have to put in a name, username, email, and notes. The FCC username is what the scraper uses to pull the student from the Freecode Camp website. And then as you add more students, your classroom gets bigger and you're able to easily organize and manage your classroom. I'd like to give a thanks to our to Satya, and as well as our mentor, Tom Lee and Utsuk. Thank you.